Tired of vanilla Minecraft? Let's dive into the epic Skyblock world of all the mods 9 to the sky. First, you'll need the CurseForge launcher. Head over to the CurseForge website and download the installer for your operating system via Windows or macOS. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to get it set up on your computer. It's a straightforward installation process. Now, open up the CurseForge launcher. You'll see a variety of games. Make sure Minecraft is selected in the search bar at the top. Type all the mods 9 Skyblock or simply ATM 9 Skyblock and hit enter. You should see the official all the mods 9 Euro to the Sky Modpack appear in the results. Click on it to view its details. Here, you'll want to click the install button. CurseForge will then handle downloading all the necessary mods and files for you. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the ATM 9 profile under your Minecraft instances. Before we launch, let's optimize your performance. Click the three dots next to the play button and select open folder. This will take you to your Modpacks directory. Inside this folder, locate the config directory. While not essential for installation, you might find performance enhancing configuration files here later. For now, simply close that back in the CurseForge launcher. Click the gear icon for settings and then navigate to Minecraft. Here, you can adjust the RAM allocated to Minecraft for modded packs like ATM 9. It's highly recommended to allocate at least 8 GB of RAM if your system can handle it. But 6 GB is a good starting point. You can do this by moving the slider or typing in the amount. This will greatly improve stability and prevent lag. With your RAM configured, click the play button next to your ATM 9 profile. Minecraft will now launch with the Modpack installed. Be patient, as it might take a little longer to load the first time due to all the mods being initialized, but once it loads, you'll be greeted with a brand new Skyblock experience. Explore new crafting recipes, discover custom biomes, and conquer the challenges of Skyblock like never before. Enjoy your adventure with all the mods 9 Euro to the sky.